What up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about defining C Sharp class or defining C Sharp classes. Okay, but before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're growing slowly but steady. Okay, so C Sharp is an object-oriented language. All of our code lives in classes, and all the data type are fundamental objects and so on. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to work with classes, which are the blueprint for creating your own objects. So we're going to start by creating our class. So let's just do right click, let's go to add, let's go to class, and then we're going to call this book. Capital letter, first one, and let's add it, and that give us our class. Okay. All right. So now to define a class in C Sharp, you use the class keyword, which is this one, followed by the name of the class, which is book, right? And also, usually comes as internal. We gotta make it public. Why do we have to make it public? So any other code in our program can use it. Okay. Now, so inside our class definitions, we can declare member variables, sometimes called fields, that will hold data related to the class. So for our book class, we will declare fields to hold the name, which it will be a string. In this case, we're going to create a string. We're going to do underscore name. Underscore, it means to indicates that it's it's an internal variable name. Okay, semicolon, and then we just do another string, and then we're going to say author, and then we're going to create an integer int just to do the page count. Okay, that's done. Now inside our class book, also classes have a function called constructor. This is the function used to create an object of this class type. We will have a public function, the name of the object, and it can take parameters. Okay, so let's create our constructor. So let's just do public. So the name of the class of the object is going to be book, and then this one is going to take parameters. Okay, let's just do this. Let's put it right here. And so right here we're going to say string name, comma, string, and to say author, comma, and we're going to say int pages. Now inside our constructor, we will initialize our internal fields to each of the parameters. Okay, in this case we have name underscore name is going to be just our parameters right here that we pass, going to be name, and then we're going to be author. I like it C sharp because it just kind of tells you, it helps you. But now with the last one, page. Page count. So what's going on with this one? Let's see. Let's take a look. So did I spell it wrong? Page count. Oh yeah, it's missing the underscore. Yes, that's my issue. You are correct. Okay, so that worked. So we initialize that. Now, and finally, we can declare other methods that operate in the class. So let's add a method called getDescription. Okay, let's do that. Let's just do public string. I'm going to do getDescription. Cool beans. So getDescription. And this method will return the book name and the author, and we will use a string interpolation right here. So let's do that. And we will return an interpolated. Oh, I can't even say it. Let's just do return semicolon, and right here we're going to say open curly brackets 3 times, and then right here we are going to do the name. We'll say by. We're going to say author. Let's put author. Yeah, that's good. And then name, author, and we'll say the book is, we'll just say page count. The book is pages long. Okay, cool bean. So that worked. So all of this completes our class definition. So here, let's go to our main code. Okay, that looks pretty good. So let's go to our program class, which is the main program. So right here, we're going to create some instances of our book object. And to do that, we're going to use the new keyword. Okay, so we're going to declare, so we're going to say book, okay, and then we're going to give it a name. We're going to be b1 equals new book, open close parenthesis, and then semicolon. Okay, so and then here we're going to pass a name. We're going to do like the name of the book, the author, and the number of pages right here. So we're going to say let's see, what name do we put right here? What book do we put right here? Let's just do the programmer. Name of the book is going to be the programmer. We're going to do comma. So by who? Let's put Pedro. This book, the programming was done by Pedro Garcia. He wrote on this book. How many pages he did it? Let's just say 450 pages. Okay, so let's do Control D. Let's just do book 2. Let's create another instance. So the programmer 2, that was the by, oh man, what was the name of this guy who did it? Let's put Junior. That sounds like somebody that wrote down a book programming. Junior Fernandez. So this guy's Junior was more motivated and he went the extra mile. He wrote down 1,000 pages, right? So now let's call the description right here, console, right line. We're going to say B1 that get descriptions right there, pan, tab, and then we're going to control D, and then we're going to change this to B2. Okay, so let's execute the program and let's see what we got. Okay, right here. So we got The Programmer by Pedro Garcia. The book is 450 pages long. Bang! The first programming book. Second programming book. The Programmer 2 by Junior Fernandez. The book is 1,000 pages long. Well, you can create a lot of instances right here. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for checking the video. Hopefully this help you in your journey defining a C# class. Okay, that was pretty simple, very basic. All right, have a good night and I will see you in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Bye.